Mike Viland here with Wakesurf AZ. We're on beautiful Lake Pleasant. Today we're talking alley-oop. But first, a quick surf report. It's May 8th. The air temperature is 73 degrees. The water temperature is 73 degrees. We got a little bit of light wind. It's beautiful conditions out here. Perfect conditions today. We're behind this 2019 Nautique G23, and we're here with Kanuk Burns. We're honored to have Kanuk Burns with us today, and he's going to be my demo guy for the alley-oop. Real quick on the alley-oop, a little bit of instructions. You're going to hear me talk a lot about form with wake surfing, okay? We want the feet, the knees, the hips, and the shoulders square to the wave, meaning pointed at the wave. We want our shoulders square. We want our head turned, looking at the back of the boat in a nice aggressive surf stance, just like this. With the alley-oop and every other trick, we're going to start from the back of the wave. Always start your tricks from the back, build speed and work forward. So what Connor's going to do, he's going to work from the back, he's going to build his speed, he's going to load the board with that front leg, he's going to pop the board straight up, he's going to bring that nose straight up. Then he's going to slightly rotate his shoulders to get his back facing the boat. He's going to land, he's going to let that board come down to the wave in a switch reefer position, and then he's going to bring the board out, and that is the alley-oop. Connor, let's see how it's done. Nice job, Connor. Great alley-oop. Again, everything's square in wake surfing. Nice bend in the knees, soft knees. Shoulder square, hip squares, knee square. Feet are square to the wave. Turning the head and looking over at the back of the boat. We start from the back, we load, we pop the board straight up, we rotate, we land with that board in the switch reefer position, and then we bring it out. Now we're going to get a little bit more advanced. Connor's going to do the alley-oop 180 and stall it in a 180 position. He'll be in a switch revert stance, he'll stall the board, and then he'll bring it out. Let's see the advanced alley-oop. Nice job, Kanuk Burns, world champion, alley-oop, stalled alley-oop, Wakesurf AZ, a complete wake surfing experience.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked it, check out Wakesurf AZ's channel. They'll be posting a lot more recently. Also follow our Instagrams and you'll be notified when we'll post our YouTube videos more often. So yeah, thanks for watching.